Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Komal and oh my god, I am doing this after such a long time. I have missed doing these kind of videos so much, but of late I had just been posting food related videos on my channel. But today I am back with my updated morning skincare routine and I hope you guys like this video and share this with your friends and family. With that being said, let's quickly begin. So in the mornings, my skincare routine is all about protecting and defending my skin from all the damage that can happen to the skin during the day. Like if I'm stepping out, there's going to be dirt, there's going to be pollution, there is harsh sunlight that can damage my skin. So I literally do everything that I possibly can to protect my skin from all of these environmental factors, and I have always maintained that the steps that I follow in my skincare routine are pretty much the same. I just keep changing the products that I use from time to time. So I begin my morning skincare routine by using a cleanser. Now you can use whichever you prefer, but I am using the Himalaya Purifying Neem foaming face wash. I really love this one, and I'm going to gently rub it all over my face and then rinse it off. And after you've rinsed your face with water, make sure that you use a napkin to pat dry your face and do not wipe the napkin or rub your napkin all over your face because this can damage your skin. So step number 2 is exfoliation. Because of the harsh summers in Mumbai, I have been getting so many breakouts all over my face. Now this was never the case with me, but since this started happening, I made it a point to use a scrub on my face at least 2 to 3 times a week. So here I'm using Neutrogena's Visibly Clear Spot Stress Control Daily Scrub. I am gently scrubbing it all over my face, especially around the nose and chin area, and then I will rinse it off. So after you're done exfoliating your skin, scrubbing your skin, step number 3 is to use a toner. Now there is no debate on whether you should use a toner or you should not use a toner. Using a toner is an absolute must, at least for my skincare routine, and it helps me in minimizing my pores, in tightening my skin. So here I'm using Effaclar, which is by Roche Posay, and I am taking a little amount of it on a cotton pad and dabbing it all over my face, but make sure that you avoid your eye area. So step number 4 is to use a sunscreen, especially if you live in a place like Mumbai, and more so use lots of sunscreen on your face and neck because those parts are usually exposed when we step out. So the one that I'm currently using is called Face Guard, and this one is a gel based sunscreen with an SPF of 30. Because it is gel based, it is water resistant, and like many other sunscreens that I have used, this one is not greasy at all. After you've used the sunscreen, the last and my most favorite step in my skincare routine is to use a moisturizer. So here I'm using the Bare Heaven by Bare Minerals. Now take your sweet time for this step, do not rush it at all. Nicely massage this onto your face and neck and let your skin absorb all the goodness. So that is it. This was my 5-step morning skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys have any comments, any questions, then make sure to leave them in the comment bar down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.